Hello. Today we are at Tolmie State Park. It was an adventure getting here, but I finally made it. About 30 minutes from my house. But here we are, finally. See, it's out here. Talking about a sand pit. Let's see which way to go. Let's go this way. Made it. This, I did not have to walk down any dirt trail. I could drive down almost to where the beach is. Very pleasant day. Sorry if that spin was too great. Don't really have any sand beaches here. Mostly gravel beaches. Sand beaches are at the ocean, which I'll get out there one day, hopefully soon. Does make it kind of hard for walking. Let's go over here. There we go. Being more solid. go. Now it's pointing more straight. Monday morning, or Tuesday morning on the 16th. I have 2 more weeks to retirement, and looks like I will be taking all that time off. So essentially, I have retired. And I have to say that it was, sort of emotional for me, being at my last morning meeting at Department of Health. We're going to walk down the beach just a little bit. Maybe it's more solid down here. Better footing for me. Okay. This is Puget Sound. Try and get a nice, easy pan. There we go. Maybe walk down to that sign and see what it says. This is Tolmie State Park. This is farther north than Bud Inlet, so the water much wider in the narrow part of Bud Inlet right down by Olympia. But this has tides. It's technically part of the Pacific Ocean, so it has tides. Oh, that's just the beach boundary sign. Beyond that sign, it must be private property. So let's see. We can get a little closer to the water. Not sure if the tide's coming in or going out. But there's all the seaweed. Shells. Interested in seeing that. It's uneven. I gotta be careful. Here we at the water edge. Looks like the tide is actually coming in